visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Capricorn, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May of 2025 reading. This is our monthly reading, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto nyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So kung gusto niyo sumali sa live sessions, you're very much welcome to do so. I want you to know that this is a general reading. So you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading, or baka naman sa buong, yung konting reading lang na ito, take what's only yours, no? Capricorn, I feel like parang paulit-ulit nangyari, or nagre-recall sa atin yung mga nangyari before. Whether this is para sa same person, no? Or ibang person pero medyo inaano natin, nire-relate natin sa person natin ngayon. I feel like this is a trauma na na-experience natin, or kaba or takot, no? Na parang kasi ginawa niya na rin ito, or I've been here before, no? Parang ang nangyayari dito, the game is the same, no? The players may change, but the game still remains the same. So parang familiar sa akin yung nasa ganitong situation, kinakabahan ako baka maulit sa akin uli, no? Or baka maulit yung mangyari sa akin. With the Hierophant, the Magician, and the World card. Yung iba naman sa inyo, literal na gusto kong mangyari yung nasa past. Especially, no, itong tao, no, I feel like someone is missing the person. Yung iba sa inyo siguro, either kung ikaw yung nasa ibang bansa or nag-ibang bansa, or itong person mo yung nag-ibang bansa, there's actually a physical separation. And I feel like the energy of missing, the energy of wanting to talk to the person, I feel like meron pa ditong nire-research, hinahanap, no, si person, kasi gusto kong makausap. With the Hierophant in here, parang kung pwede lang ibalik yung time before, sana either hindi ko na siya pinayagan, or hindi na ako umalis, or hindi na siya umalis. I feel like with the Hierophant, sana pala parang ginawa ko na lahat, no? Or may tawag dun parang hinusto ko na, parang min-maximize ko na yung time, no? Nung magkasama kami. Parang ngayon kasi, hinahanap ko siya, nawawala. Parang may nawawala pa nga, no? I feel like with the Tower in here, something changed with the Queen of Pentacles and the Three of Pentacles. Yung iba sa inyo, baka kasi kailangan either magtrabaho. It doesn't always have to be nasa ibang bansa, ha? Baka naman nasa ibang lugar lang. Nasa kabilang isla, nasa kabilang city, or kailangan maghiwalay, no, ng tirahan for what? Practical purposes. But I feel like something in here changed. So dito nagki-kick in yung kung meron lang sana akong nagawa, no? And I feel like someone is fearing or natatakot kasi um, there are parang nakakakita na ng mga changes, no? And nagkakaroon ako na parang kung ako yung nasa lugar na ito, nagkakaroon ako ng takot na hindi ko maibalik or baka hindi na bumalik, no, kung ano yung dating meron kami. Um, for a few numbers of you, meron din talaga dito kasi usually, no, the tower, isa lang yung lumalaglag. But this time, I feel like it's a mutual decision. Meron kayong contribution sa isa't isa, bakit meron pangyayari, no? It could be an agreement also, but I am seeing here, um, whatever these challenges or the transformation that has been going on is sort of meron kayong contribution, no? Kayong dalawa. With the Seven of Pentacles and the Temperance in here, so meron ditong matyagang nag-aantay, either matyagang nag-research, matyagang naghahanap ng information or hinahanap yung tao. I feel like paminsan-minsan dumadating pa rin yung time na I am fantasizing, no? Those things that we did from the past na medyo binabalik-balikan ko. So parang merong replay button sa isip ko na ito yung mga nangyari sa amin na parang gusto kong balikan. Hindi ko siya magawa ngayon. So parang nag daydream ako, dinadagdagan ko na lang, no, ng mas maganda. Pero deep inside, parang gustong-gusto ko siyang makita. With the Judgment, the Four of Swords, the Fool card. Nakakita din ako kasi dito ng parang bigla ang hiwalayan na parang hindi in-expect ng isa. Chances are, parang hindi na lang din sinabi na tutol ako, with the Judgment also. So sa ikabubuti mo yan, sino ba naman ako para, what do you mean by that? No, yung parang pigilan ka, no, sa iyong mga gustong marating sa buhay, pero deep inside nasasaktan ako. With the Four of Swords in here, parang hinihila ko na lang yung araw para, matapos na ito. I'm hoping, no? And I feel like yung iba dito gustong makasumunod, makapasok sa company din, or parang gagawa ng isang way just to see the person. So parang ganun kamahal, ganun din yung longing, no? I kind of also makes me feel like why there is Sweden in here that I am seeing, or Swiss. I don't know. It could be a watch that is very, yeah, meron mga Swiss watch, no? Yung parang very important. It could be the country, but I feel like medyo malayo ito. Yeah, I feel like there is a watch. Someone here is, mahilig sa music. I feel like medyo bata pa to eh. For a few numbers of you, no, baka this must be a relationship na medyo matagal na nangyari. But then again, ngayon pa lang, up until now, no, siya pa rin yung tinitibok ng puso. Let's get some more cards here. With the Ten of Wands, the Two of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. Parang nawawala na ng pag-asa yung isang tao dito na makikita ko pa ba siya, no? For a few numbers of you, baka nangangamba kasi na the person might probably moved forward or moved on with their life. Maraming tanong, iniisip niya pa ba ako, no? Nakakita din ako dito sa Macau, New York, Golden Gate. I feel like Big Apple, Liberty, what have you, no? Twin Tower, which is wala na. But I feel like those are the clues na medyo significant, no? Dito sa dynamic na ito. With the Ten of Wands, So parang nahihirapan din ako sumunod or sana hindi kita pinaalis or susunod na ba ako or gusto kitang hanapin. That's actually um the energy here. Parang gusto kitang makita uli. There's longing, no? Let's check the zodiac sign of your person, Capricorn. But then again, bago po yan, gusto ko pong ipaalam sa inyo na meron po tayong kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No? Yan po ang ating unang channel kung saan po tayo nagla-live. Pwede po kayong sumali sa live sessions. Pero kung hindi nyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. No? There is a link. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Na doon po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi nga po ito ay discounted na. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, no? So, let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement po sa kanilang chart. I am seeing Scorpio, Taurus, Leo, Aries, Sagittarius, Virgo, Capricorn. I'm seeing, yeah, Taurus is very dominant, no? I'm also seeing Aquarius. Yan. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
You want the best.